Well, this video is going to be a little bit of a hodgepodge of stuff I'm working on. Let's start off with these little guys, and I'm going to try and show you how small they are if I use my little itty-bitty tweezers. Now I have to bear in mind that the holes on this board are 0.1 of an inch apart. Excuse me, I've got a bit of a cold. So the connectors, oh come on, fit in there. Now this little board measures temperature, air pressure and altitude. Go figure. And it's all based around this itty bitty tiny metal can here, which is actually manufactured by Bose, the German, basically I guess the German automotive manufacturer. But it's tiny. So anyhow, let me drag that out of the way a bit, and we'll go back over to here. And here the little board is assembled. I don't want to touch it with this because it's metal, but you can see it's in here. And because it supports I2C and 2-wire and a 4-wire interface, excuse me, frightfully sorry, I'm running off a little, let me get these wires out of the way, little nano on these amazing little breadboard carrier things that just give you so many connectors, and every one is surrounded by ground and power. It's wonderful. I mean, they are really great little connectors, little carrier boards. So here all I had to do was take here we go. I'm sorry I'm tired, but I've got a bit of a cold as well. Ground and power, which happened to be green and blue. And then, I don't know if you can see this, I'll try and bend it out of the way. Let me put some more light on it. I guess you can't actually, that sucks. But either way, there's transmit and receive for the I2C. And it goes off to this itty bitty little board. As I said, with the Bose sensor chip on board. And as I say, it's running off a little nano. Now let me bring up the Arduino monitor. And here's the Arduino monitor. You just drag it into view. And it says height PT1 in meters and height in meters, pressure and temperature. And it refreshes, I think, every 2 or 3 seconds. You probably won't see it flip. But the one thing I'm very confused about, and I'm guessing this is because this particular chip hasn't been calibrated. It says I'm 166-ish meters above sea level. Well, I'm not. I'm about, in meters, about 87. So I'm actually about 166 feet So I'm guessing it's just not been calibrated. Other than that, the air pressure's pretty good. Going onto a local website and finding out what the local air pressure is. And the temperature is 24, which according to my thermostat on the other side of the office is saying it's 23.9, so that's not bad. So all I can assume is that it's just not calibrated for height yet. But it turns out to be a nice little board. I mean, yes, indeed, a little board. It's bloody tiny. But using the nano on this carrier board, I don't know what you call it, a shield, whatever, turns out really, really good. Okay, we'll move on to the next one in a moment. Bye-bye.